Also, this week we have not one, but two new AI models that even beats OpenAI's O1. This is their flagship model, which is PhD level. But the fact that this week we have two models that even beat O1, or at least matches it on various benchmarks, is just absolutely insane. Now, the first one is called the DeepSeek R-One, and this is completely open source and free to use. You can already download this and run it locally and offline. In fact, some users are even able to run a distilled version of this on their iPhone or Android phone. Now, really quickly, they actually used a new training technique to create this. The model is based on reinforcement learning instead of a mostly supervised learning technique that we've seen with previous generations of AI models like GPT and Claude and Llama. So basically what this means is it can learn things by itself with minimal human guidance. It kind of had to figure things out by itself and also verify its own answers, and because of this, it's a lot more performant in terms of problem solving and step-by-step reasoning. In fact, if you compare DeepSeek with OpenAI's O1, it basically beats O1 on all of these math benchmarks, which is pretty insane. Anyways, I already did a full review and deep dive on DeepSeek R-One, so check out this video if you haven't already. But in addition to DeepSeek, which has gotten a lot of attention, this other company is relatively under the radar, but they've also released an AI model this week that beats OpenAI's O1. So the AI model is called Kimi K-1.5, and this is a top multi-modal model developed by a startup called Moonshot AI. And by the way, DeepSeek R-One is not multimodal. It currently can only process text. But this one, Kimi, also has vision capabilities, so it can potentially analyze images and video. And similar to DeepSeek, Kimi was also trained using reinforcement learning without relying on more complex techniques that we've seen in the past, like Monte Carlo tree search, value functions, or process reward models. Now, I don't think it's a coincidence that we have both these companies releasing AI models in the same week, and both of them used reinforcement learning to train their models. I think this might be the next big thing in AI, is to train even better models using reinforcement learning instead of previous methods.